My name is Nicholas. I'm the manager here at Down for Sound, and today we're going to be unboxing the SPARKED Innovation RBX 4-channel relay box to show you what you can utilize this for. So as we unbox it, comes in this nice protective casing. You got a little bit of accessories that you can run, wiring for running your relays to the box. All right, this particular one is it's the limited edition one with the white backing. Now what you would want to utilize this particular model, you can hook up different accessories like lights, paneling. If you've got a bunch of light bars that you want to put them on this instead of a standardized relay switch, you can definitely control it off this way. If you've got lighted rings that you don't want to turn on with the amplifier or with the vehicle itself, and you want to be able to control it, you can also utilize this to do that as well. It's 4 channels, so you'll be able to process 4 channels on each one of them. Now, with the RBX comes, when you buy the kit, and you buy the entire assembly kit, you get 4 of these wires with the kit, and you get this panel relay switch, and then you also get the switches. Now, what you'll do is you'll basically run these to this to designate which channel you want it to be utilized in. So when you plug it into channel 1, you just slide it right in, and then you're good to go. Once it's in, then you'll bring this relay here, you'll snap it in place, so just make sure that you match negative to negative. Boom, slides right in, and now you can control anything that you wire to channel 1 on the box. So you've got channel 1, channel 4, channel 3, channel 2, channel 1, and then you got grounding. So you want to definitely make sure that you ground any accessory that to the box itself. So if you go to channel 1, all you have to do is just flip the switch, boom, and now you have control of everything. Now if you want to relay this to your amplifiers, you can do that as well, and you can run your remotes directly into this to whichever channel. If you're running 4 amplifiers and you want to be able to soft touch them so that they don't turn off, and you hear, like, a lot of people, they'll get that popping noise when they turn off the system, and you'll notice that that's because your accessory line is actually, once you turn it off, it has a little bit of draw in it, and then it pops and then it shuts off. So if you want to eliminate that so that you can actually turn off your system, then you would utilize one of these boxes or a standardized relay, but you'll want to use this because you'll actually have better control over it with a little switch panel. So once you turn off your system, your amps are going to stay on, and they're going to stay remoted until you flip that switch. Once you turn that switch off, cuts everything off. It actually soft turns it off so that you don't get that poppy noise when you turn off your vehicle. And that way you have control over your system so that you don't get that. The bad part about popping noises when you do that is that it can be a long, pretty hard popping, to where it will either pop a fuse on your amplifier, or it can damage your speakers as well, because you don't want that popping noise to get any louder or any harder, that it's just going to pop your speaker as well. Another thing that you can utilize with this, with another accessory that SPARKED Innovation has, is what they call a Fannie. So this is a fan that will actually be utilized on your amplifiers to cool them down. Great thing about this, the Fannie, that it comes with just a simple installation. You plug this into the fan right here, boom. Now you can pretty much relay this to your grounding point on here, and you can utilize it on channel 1 like how we have it connected, and now your fan is controlled by this relay box, and so it makes it easy for you to have control of your amplifiers. If you're in a colder environment but you know your amps are about to get hot, but you don't want them to turn on right away, you don't want the fan to turn on right away, this is a nice way for you to actually have control of your fans. So as your fan starts to heat up, your voltmeter will tell you, hey, I'm at 117 degrees, go ahead and flip me switch. So go ahead and turn the switch on, fan turns on, your amp starts to cool down. Your amplifier is going to love you for having one of these and one of these connected to it, so that you can actually have control over your amplifiers for your fans, so you can start cooling them down. Especially in the summertime, you definitely don't want a hot amp in the summer, because you're just asking for trouble. There's also other accessories that you can hit, like I mentioned. You can also do a light bar, other fans. You can also hook up, say, like a horn or whatnot, that you want this to take over all the wiring, and basically just control the entire system at arm's reach, so you can flip the switch. So if you liked any of the accessories or items that we talked about on this video, go ahead and check out downforsoundshop.com for all your Sparks Innovation needs, and also for all your car audio needs as well.
Yo, what's up guys? If you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels, from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Price is my handle on there. Also have Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat as JPD4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.